Hey there. In this video let's talk about signs that indicate a man is making love from the heart. When a man truly loves a woman, his affection transcends mere physical attraction. It's about forging an emotional connection, embracing vulnerability, and harboring a deep desire to make her feel cherished and valued. True love transforms intimacy in relationships into a profound and meaningful experience that strengthens the bond between two people, creating a sanctuary of trust and mutual respect. Let's delve deeper into 9 heartfelt signs that reveal a man's genuine feelings and the depth of his love, offering valuable relationship advice. 1. He prioritizes emotional connection. For a man deeply in love, intimacy is not just about the physical act. It's about the profound connection between two souls. He ensures that both partners feel safe, valued, and understood before anything physical happens. This emotional foundation is crucial for him, as it allows both of you to be fully present and engaged. He takes the time to engage in meaningful conversations, sharing laughter and listening to your thoughts, worries, and dreams. He wants to understand you on a deeper level, beyond just physical attraction. This emotional investment is evident in his willingness to discuss not just the light-hearted topics, but also the challenges and aspirations that shape your life. His affection isn't confined to the bedroom, he shows love through everyday actions. Whether it's holding your hand during a walk, giving you a warm hug after a long day, or simply checking in to see how you're feeling, these small gestures speak volumes about his commitment and care. 2. He takes his time and pays attention. A man who makes love from the heart doesn't rush the experience. He savors every moment, being attentive to your needs, reactions, and emotions. He understands that true intimacy is not a race to the finish line but a journey to be enjoyed together. He notices the little things, your facial expressions, the rhythm of your breathing, and your overall comfort level. He adjusts his actions based on what makes you feel good, ensuring that you are comfortable, happy, and emotionally secure. This attention to detail shows his deep respect and consideration for your well-being. Unlike those who are solely focused on their own pleasure, he genuinely enjoys making you feel special. He finds joy in your happiness and satisfaction, making the experience mutually fulfilling and enriching. 3. He wants to make you feel special. Love is about giving as much as it is about receiving. When a man truly loves you, he focuses on your happiness as much as his own. He understands that a balanced relationship is one where both partners feel cherished and valued. He actively looks for ways to make you feel cherished. This could be through small, thoughtful gestures or grand romantic surprises. He compliments you sincerely, not just on your appearance, but on your character, your intelligence, and your unique qualities that make you who you are. He shows appreciation for who you are as a person, not just how you look. He expresses affection before, during, and after intimacy, ensuring that you feel loved and respected throughout the entire experience. He may whisper sweet words, kiss you gently, or simply hold you close, making sure you feel loved, not just desired. 4. He stays present in the moment. Distraction is the enemy of true intimacy. A man in love is fully present when he's with you. He's not thinking about work, checking his phone, or mentally distracted, he's focused entirely on you and the shared experience. Signs of his deep emotional presence include making eye contact, actively listening to you, and responding to your needs and emotions without rushing. He takes the time to understand your feelings and responds with empathy and care. When he's fully present, the connection between you becomes much deeper and more meaningful. This presence allows for a more profound emotional exchange, where both partners feel seen, heard, and valued. 5. He expresses affection before and after intimacy. Love isn't just about the physical connection, it's also about how he treats you before and after. If a man truly loves you, he'll show affection in small, meaningful ways. He holds you close before intimacy, creating a sense of security and closeness. He kisses you gently and sincerely, not just as a prelude to something more, but as an expression of his love and affection. After intimacy, he doesn't turn away or become distant. Instead, he cuddles with you, ensuring you feel safe, happy, and appreciated. He checks in on your feelings, making sure you're comfortable and content. This continued affection reinforces the emotional bond and shows his commitment to your well-being. 6. He looks into your eyes. Eye contact is one of the most powerful signs of emotional connection. If he looks deeply into your eyes during intimate moments, it means he feels safe, vulnerable, and emotionally invested in you. Some men avoid eye contact because they don't want to be emotionally exposed. But a man who truly loves you will embrace that vulnerability, letting you see into his heart through his eyes. This level of openness and trust is a testament to the depth of his feelings for you. He understands that eye contact is a window to the soul, and he's not afraid to let you see his true emotions and the love he holds for you. 7. He wants to please you emotionally and physically. For a man who makes love from the heart, your happiness matters. He isn't just focused on himself, he cares about your experience and wants to know what makes you feel good, both emotionally and physically. He may ask what you like and be attentive to your body language, adjusting his actions based on your comfort level. He makes sure you feel loved and respected, not just in the bedroom, but in every aspect of your relationship. His goal is to understand what brings you happiness and to create a loving environment where you feel cherished and valued. He takes the time to learn about your preferences and acts on them, showing his deep commitment to your well-being. 8. He holds you close. Real intimacy doesn't end and the physical act is over. A man who makes love from the heart will hold you close afterward. He will cuddle you, stroke your hair, or simply lay beside you, enjoying the moment and the emotional connection. Holding you close is a sign that he values your emotional connection just as much as the physical one. It's his way of showing you that he loves you, not just in the moment, but always. This continued closeness reinforces the bond between you, creating a sense of security and belonging. It shows that his love for you is constant and enduring, not just fleeting or situational. 9. He makes you feel loved, not just desired. The biggest difference between physical attraction and deep love is how a man makes you feel. If he truly loves you, you won't feel like just another partner, you'll feel cherished, valued, and deeply loved. A man who makes love from the heart will make you feel emotionally safe. He shows affection even when he doesn't expect intimacy in return, treating you as his equal and not just a conquest. He prioritizes your happiness in every aspect of the relationship, ensuring that you feel seen, heard, and valued. His actions are guided by a deep sense of love and respect for you as a person. Love, in his eyes, is not just about passion, it's about connection, trust, and true devotion. He understands that a strong relationship is built on a foundation of mutual respect, open communication, and a shared commitment to each other's well-being. If your partner does these things, he's not just with you for physical reasons, he's making love to you with his heart and soul. When a man loves deeply, he prioritizes your emotions, well-being, and happiness. He understands that true love is a journey of growth, understanding, and mutual support. Have you experienced this kind of love? Which of these signs have you noticed in your relationship? Share your thoughts and stay tuned for more insights on love, relationships, and dating. Engage in conversations with your partner about these signs, and explore how you both can deepen your emotional connection and strengthen your bond.